What is up, guys, and welcome to today's recipe video. We are making low carb, keto friendly Reuben sandwich. Check out these ingredients. First ingredient is pastrami. They did not have corned beef, so we're using pastrami, but it's a leaner and better calorie choice. We're gonna use about half of this, which is 8 ounces. We're gonna use 3 slices of Swiss cheese. We're gonna use 2 ounces of light Thousand Island dressing, 4 ounces of sauerkraut, and 1 entire lavish bread. Sorry for the screaming in the background. That's Parker playing Fortnite. Hey, what are you doing?
Drinking.
So this is gonna make one huge sandwich. So it's going to feed 2 people. So there's gonna be 2 servings, and we'll go over the calories and the macros at the very end of the recipe. And we're gonna use a George Foreman grill to grill it up. You can do this in the pan, you can do this in the oven. But anyway, let's get cooking. Step 1, we have our food scale here, and we're gonna weigh out 8 ounces of pastrami. It's time to give this beast a try. I'm only having half. The other half I will save for later. I made a bunch of these for the family and stuff. So this is one that came out kind of messy, but this is a messy sandwich. Anyway, I gotta dive in and give this a try. If I can pick it up. Oh my goodness, look at this thing. The flavors in this are on point. You're not even gonna miss the corned beef. I mean, this would be good with corned beef. You're just gonna have to adjust the macros, which I will be giving you in a second what the macros are in this sandwich. I just need one more bite. Okay, now that I just mopped up my face, let's check this out. I looked on MyFitnessPal to see what a classic Reuben, what the macros and calories would be. It was anywhere from 700 to like 1500 calories. So I went with somewhere in the middle of what a traditional one would be, and I'm gonna give you the macros on that. So let's say, I'm gonna look at the Applebee's Reuben sandwich, classic from Applebee's. 930 calories, 60 grams of fat. I'm sorry, 60 grams of carbohydrates, 54 grams of fat, and 49 grams of protein in the Applebee's version. So this is gonna be a much better choice if you make this your own. Obviously the carbs are gonna be low because we're using the lavish bread. Let me give you the macros for this entire sandwich, not just this portion, like double of what I got on this plate. That one that you saw in the beginning with the whole lavish bread, the entire recipe, which serves 2 people. Here are the macros and calories for that. For the entire recipe, you're only looking at 352 calories. Giant leap from 900 and something all the way to 1500 calories if you're gonna get this out to eat. This version is gonna be great, a much better calorie choice, so 352 calories, and you can eat that entire sandwich. I'm only eating half here, so that's only 170 calories in what I have here, which fills up the plate already. You're looking at 18 grams of fat. You're looking at 17 carbohydrates, but hold on a second. There's gonna be minus the fiber and all that stuff, so your carbohydrates are gonna be a lot less in a second. 32 grams of protein. So your net carbs for this entire thing is going to be right around 12 carbohydrates, which is a little bit high, but again, you're not gonna usually sit down and eat that entire meal. Well, you could absolutely fit that into your day with 12 carbs. You absolutely could. 12 net carbs will get you there but half of this is going to be filling and satisfying. The pastrami, much leaner than the corned beef. It's going to give you more bang for your buck as far as the calories go. So give this a try. I think you will like it without sacrificing any kind of flavor. Give it a shot, guys. Remember, better calorie choices, better carbohydrate choices if you're following a keto low carb diet. You can have the foods that you enjoy, the foods that you love. You just gotta find the hacking way of getting them lower carb, lower calorie. There's a way to do it. Trust me, this is one that is for the books. Give it a try. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe if you haven't already. Remember, guys, consistency is the king. Always remember to rock and roll.